Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. I am Kanika Tandon and this is my fifth video of English First of class 3rd. In today's video, we'll cover our next chapter, that is chapter number 3, Negative Sentences. And in my last video, we have completed till our chapter number 2, which was kinds of sentences. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so chapter number 3, that is negative sentences. There are two sentences. One is affirmative sentences and second one is negative sentence. So affirmative sentences shows us what? That there is some positivity in the sentence. Alright, but what negative sentences tells us? There is some negativity. What is in simple words, what is a negativity? Which shows some kind of denial or refusal. For example, if you come to me and ask, ma'am, can I please go to the washroom? This is an affirmative sentence because it has no negativity, it has all positivity. Okay, so taking that simple example, if you come to me and ask me to go to the toilet, ma'am, may I go to the toilet? And if I say no, which means I have refused, मैंने आपको वॉशरूम जाने से मना कर दिया है. So if I'm saying no, you cannot go to the washroom, it is a negative sentence because in that sentence there is one refusal coming with the help of the word not. Can not. अगर not आ जाता है sentence में, that means the sentence is negative. So coming on to the A part, read the following sentences. I am hungry. Negative sentence will be I am not hungry. We are fast friends. We are not fast friends. They were good players. They were not good players. She can do it. She cannot do it. It may rain today. It may not rain today. So these sentences on the left side are affirmative sentences and the sentences on the right side are negative sentence. Why? Because those negative sentences have refusal in it. Okay. They are saying no for every sentence. They are not agreeing with the one. If you are telling me, if you come and ask me for the toilet and if I send you to the washroom, then it is affirmative sentence. But if I'm telling you not to go to the washroom, that will become a negative sentence. Okay, coming on to the B one, read the following sentences. I am driving my car. I am not driving my car. She is running fast. She is not running fast. They are singing together. They are not singing together. He was selling fruit. He was not selling fruit. They were speaking loudly. They were not speaking loudly. Now the difference between the sentences that I have read right now and the sentences which I have read before, what is the difference? Those sentences are in either simple present, past or future, but these sentences are in present or past or future continuous because they have ing form of the verb. So driving, that which means this driving, running, singing, selling, speaking, these are what? These are the continuous tense. So how do we make a sentence negative while the sentence is in continuous form? We write subject, am, is, are or was, या were not plus present participle in the ing form. So what we have to do? We have to write the subject first. We have to write either is, are, am according to the subject. If the subject is singular, we'll use is, and, are or am. Alright, but if the subject is if the subject is singular, what we will use? Am, is or was. But the subject is plural, what we will use? Are or were. Plus not plus present participle in the ing form. The verb is in ing form. I hope it is clear to you all. Coming on to the third one, read the following sentences. I walk daily. I do not walk daily. She learns her lesson. She does not learn her lesson. He reads English newspaper. He does not read English newspaper. They dance in the rain. They do not dance in the rain. My sister works in an office. My sister does not work in an office. Sarita sang a song. Sarita did not sing a song. The negative sentences in the present simple or past simple tense is formed with subject plus do, does or did plus not plus base form. Alright. So here what are the two things that we have to understand? While we are reading these sentences, one thing we have to remember is when the subject is singular, I, the verb is also in the first form. Here, when the subject is singular, the helping verb that we use is does. But when the subject is plural, the helping verb that we use is do. So whenever the subject is singular, we use does. Alright, no matter if the subject is in female gender or a male gender, like he and she. In both of the sentences we are using does as the helping verb. But when the subject becomes plural, we use do as the helping verb. Similarly, when the subject is singular, we use works here and does not work. And these were in the present tense. Now coming to the simple past, Sarita sang a song. Sarita ne gana gaya. Now did not sing. So one thing that we have to remember is whenever we are using did in any sentence, the verb that we use will not come in the second form. It will come in its first form. So Sarita did not sing a song. Sang is the second form of the verb sing, and sing is the first form of the verb sing. Okay. And how do we construct a sentence? Subject like I, do, does. So I have to write in the simple present, and I am singular. So I teach you English. If I have to convert this sentence into negative, I do not teach you English. Alright. So with I, what I have used? Do. Alright. Coming on to the fourth one, read the following sentences. I have a mobile. I have no mobile. We have a house. We have no house. He has a bicycle. He has no bicycle. She has a notebook. She has no notebook. They had a car. They had no car. Sentences containing has, have, had show possession. So what is the meaning of possession? When something is ours. For example, a duster. If I am teaching you with a duster and a chalk, so that duster and the chalk is my possession. That both the things belong to me. Similarly, if you are writing something with a pencil, that pencil belongs to you. वो pencil किसकी है? आपकी. और duster और chalk किसका है? मेरा. So whenever a sentence we have using has, have or had, that shows possession. The negative sentence is formed with subject plus has, have, had or plus no. So what we have to do? We have to see कि अगर sentence में had, has or have है, तो we just have to put no. I hope it is clear. And if it is not, when we will do the exercise in the next video, you will easily understand. When you do the exercise, see, sometimes what happens when we do not understand something from the chapter, and when we do the question, we understand it easily. So today, what are you going to do? First thing is, you try to do the exercises yourself. I'm not saying that you have to do the exercise yourself. You can just try doing it, and then when in my next video I'll give you the exercise of this chapter, you can match and see where you did wrong. With this, what happens? You will easily understand what I was trying to teach you. Alright. Second thing, what you are going to do today is, you have to learn exercise of chapter number 2, because in my next video I'll give you revision test paper 2, which will be based on chapter number 2. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep studying. Thank you.